In this video, I'll show you how I use ChatGPT projects to keep all my chats, documents, and specific instructions perfectly organized in one dedicated workspace. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin, I'll move my cursor over to the sidebar on the left and click on New Project. This opens the creation window, where I'll name this workspace My Work, and then click the Create Project button to set it up. Projects allow me to set specific rules that stay active for every single chat I start here, which is essential for my workflow as a content creator. I'll navigate to the top right corner, click the three-dot menu, and open Project Settings. In the instructions box, I'm pasting my brand's core details, including our unique voice and target audience, and then I'll click Save to apply these rules globally to this project. Next, I want to give the AI some background material to reference, so I'll click the Upload icon to add my sources. I'm selecting my business plans and brand guidelines from my folders to ensure the AI has all the context it needs for my professional tasks. With my project now fully configured, I'll paste a prompt into the message bar asking for a creative Instagram caption based on those uploaded guidelines. Finally, I'll add a second prompt to generate multiple social media posts for our upcoming summer collection. Because this is a project, the AI automatically utilizes my saved brand voice and the uploaded documents to provide perfectly tailored results every time without me having to repeat the same instructions. It's a great way to stay organized while producing high-quality content. If you found this walkthrough helpful for organizing your own AI workspace, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.